Hi, it's Angie with Wonder Woman Adventures, and I got to attend the Grow with Live video conference 2021. And I was completely new to YouTube. I still am learning so much every day that I don't even remotely know, but I'm trying. And I found seancannell with thinkmedia. And I joined their team. First I joined Inner Circle, and then I moved to Video Ranking Academy because that gave me more of the step-by-step details. And so I learned that they were having a conference, which this year was virtual, and it was Grow with Video Live 2021. So the first night I am watching on my computer, and they said post your battle stations. Well, I was like, what's a battle station? I didn't know what that was. And so somebody in the comments said it's where you're going to watch the video conference. Because I wanted to focus completely on the conference and get 100% out of it, I had booked a campground in my town, close to my town. And since my videos are all on travel, I thought this would be a great opportunity to combine what I love, the RV and the travels and the campground, and then just focus on this YouTube conference. As an aside, I went across the country in my RV, 22 foot, and she's a cutie, but she's tiny. And then we went across 7,000 miles, 12 states, 19 campgrounds. So I would love it if you would check out my other videos, maybe even subscribe and like. Subscribe keeps my journey going. Like and following it takes you with me. So anyway, I booked the campground. So I went to the campground and I set up my battle station of where I was going to be, and I took a picture of it and I submitted it to thinkmedia. Ready for opening ceremonies. I'm sitting at my computer and they come up and they start talking about this lady who went so far as to book a campground, and I'm like, oh my gosh, could there have been somebody else? And so then they say Adventures of Wonder Woman, and that is my Instagram handle.
Wanted to give away one right now, and so on yesterday's session, somebody posted their battle station. All right, this is crazy, Tony. I gotta show you this.
All right, here we go.
So this is the giveaway winner. I'm just gonna set it out, and then I'll tell you why this is awesome. This is Adventures of Wonder Woman at Adventures of Wonder Woman. Check this out, Tony. This girl booked a campground for the next 2 days.
Oh.
Took her mobile home to the campground to focus.
That's like your own conference. You're like, I'm on my own level.
Yeah,
like,
she said, I'm so excited and thankful that I get to spend the next 2 days learning and growing at Grow with Video Live. And since it's a virtual conference this year, maybe next year might not be virtual.
I don't know.
I mean, you know, we never know.
We don't know.
She wanted to get the best conference experience, so to soak it all in, she completely invested in the conference by booking a campground, and she posted her battle station in her mobile home. Man, Adventures of Wonder Woman, shout out to you. We're gonna send a mystery box your way.
So I was like, oh my gosh, I won. Oh my gosh, I won. So I was so excited. I was jumping up and down. I was texting my people, oh my gosh. And so I was super pumped. So that just made everything wonderful. It was the most amazing conference. I already signed up for 2022, so you can too, and you can meet me there. This time it's not virtual, it's in Las Vegas, but it'd be great if we could all go and join and meet up there. So anyway, what I want to show you today is I got the package. I was so excited. I can't wait. I couldn't wait. And so I got it today, and I thought I would show you what was in it because I'm not sure what's in it either. So, and odds are pretty good I won't know what this stuff is. So Let's open it up, and the first thing I see is that says done is better than perfect. And that is true. That is so true. seancannell.com. So this jumps out right quick. I'm super excited about this. YouTube Secrets. This is Sean's book, and he mentions how he wrote this, and I really, really wanted it. So I didn't order it yet. I did order a thinkmedia sweatshirt, hoodie. I guess I could have worn that today. But so super pumped with Benji Travis. And so I'm going to put a lot of energy into that already super excited. Okay, and here is a thinkmedia journal. Ooh, it's a blank journal. It's got a ribbon. I love it. Love it, love it. Oh, I like the fact that it has, I see this now, that it has the rubber band that will, the band that will close it. So, yeah. I bet there's a pen in here. So in here, there's a thinkmedia bag. Let's see what's in this bag. I hope y'all are enjoying this as much as I am, because like, I'm super pumped about it. Oh, it's like the daily affirmations. Oh, I love it. Press record. Yes. And then this one says, it's in yellow, so it's a little hard to, rise and grind. And slow and steady wins. How perfect are those? I need all three of those to remind me of that. And then here is a phone stand and grip for the back of my phone. It says Think. Pop socket. How awesome. Okay, now we're getting to some big goodies that I don't know what they are. Alright, so a pen to go with my journal. So these look really exciting. I don't know what they are. This is a Bluetooth remote shutter, and it says it's easy to set up, easy to use in 3 steps. Awesome. I'm so excited. This is what I was hoping for. This is what I was hoping for. Okay, this is a Shure Lavalier microphone. A microphone! Yay! Thank you guys. So this is a performance mic. It's a lapel mic, and it has the auxiliary cord. And so I'm super excited about that. I needed it so bad. I'm assuming that is Shure. That's how you say that. So it digital recording for speech on the go. Okay, here is Archon, a complete line of mounting solutions and accessories. I have no idea what this is. Oh, clip-on LED selfie light. Ooh, yay! You know, what's interesting about this is I just broke my selfie light that clipped on. You know, I was trying to clip it on something that it shouldn't have been clipped on, and it didn't like it. So we got a, oh, okay, I'm not going to open the rest of it right here, but it's got a beauty mode, battery inside, a USB charger, and has no red eye. And this is the last thing in the box, and it is Archon again for tablets, smartphones, cameras. Ooh, it's a universal smartphone holder. Yay! I needed one of these too. Oh my gosh, I was just saying I needed one of these the other day. I said, remember those things that kind of hang on everything? Yay! Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So excited. I needed one of these so bad, and I'm so glad that it's for the phone, because I don't have a camera. So I'm glad that that was for the phone. So it's got everything in here, all the clips. Well, this has been so exciting. I hope that you have gotten some enjoyment out of it as much as I have. Look at all this stuff. Look. So much stuff here. I'm so excited. This is like a complete setup to get me started, and you know, you should check out Think Media too. They have so much support, so much community, and they're such good people. So do it too. Join me. Meet me at Grow With Live Video Conference, and then also meet me online. But here's my wonderful box just to show you how awesome these people are. Thank you, Sean. Thank you, Heather Torres, the whole team, Daisy Ringgold. We just appreciate everything you do. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. It's a little awkward to hug, but thanks.